So all my whole spices in first. Grind that down into a powder. Some oil goes into the pan. So you just want a couple of sides to brown. Let's get all this beef out, which is convenient in many situations. About half a cup of coconut milk. So the coconut milk is boiling. I'm not gonna wait until it's reduced. I'm just gonna add my curry paste right away. Rest of the coconut milk goes in. Okay, now the beef goes in. Try not to pour it in one go so it doesn't splash all over the place. All of the juices as well. Okay, so now we open. Whee! Sure smells like masaman in here.